Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to solve some problems for our new contributors because everyone doing something wrong, like someone, not everyone. What you can do? So first we need to basic setup. This is my another account. So I go to first this repository and it is not in this account. This is basic. So now first I want to contribute in our Algo repo. So what I can do, first I need to fork this repo. Click on fork button and I put any name of this repo. So I noted it. I used Algo and this is my username. I click on fork, create fork. So this is my fork repo, and this is one of my GitHub repositories account. This Algo. So now I need to work on this repo. So first I need to clone in our local machine. So what I can do, I click on code print button and click on copy of this URL, and I follow our contribution guideline because we have already put here all the steps. So first we need to, before contribution, need to read some guidance. Our Algo project is fully based on Docusaurus. So first you can go to Docusaurus official website, docusaurus.io, and navigate to the docs and read carefully all steps. How to write docs like this, intro docs intro.md, and you can be check out this because this is a very basic setup. So first this, and I have completed our fork repo. Now we need to clone this in your our local machine. So I need to put git clone and paste our URL we have already copied, and we can be need the basic one branch. So we can create our branch with the help of GitHub git checkout hyphen b and our branch name, and we can we edit our code, and now we need to create raise a PR. So first we need to go to our VS Code, and I clone from my account, and this our Algo. Our first step is completed work, and we need to clone. Then copy this code, and first I need to navigate our folder where we need to Algo project. No, in here this GitHub folder we need Algo git clone and our URL. If you clone, then you replace your username with this. Now we are waiting for some time.